Welcome back everyone. I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today I'll be working on my Crested Eaves Needle Cactus. I noticed some rotting coming out from the bottom. Rot can be deceiving and should be handled sooner rather than later. I will be cutting out the rot to see how far it has progressed, and let's see if it can be rescued. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for joining me. Let's get started. Thankfully, the roots are in good condition and there is no sign of root rot. Looking good. Avoid watering a cactus until the wound has callus over. Keep an eye on it post-surgery to make sure the rot doesn't continue to spread. New battle scar, but this cactus will survive to fight another day. Oh well, looks cute, gives it more character. I like it. Thankfully, I cut the rot on time. If you're new to the channel, please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.